So this is how I passed my 50K FTMO challenge, trading Euro USD. Now before we get started, this video was made with FX Replay, which is a backtesting software. And if you guys would be interested in that, I have a discount code, which you can find in the link in my description. And if you would like to use FTMO as well, which is one of the most reliable prop firms, feel free to check the link in my description as well. And then let's get straight into this video. Alright, so welcome everyone to this new video where I'll be breaking down this Euro USD trade that I took on July the 23rd. And basically I'll just be doing the same kind of video as I did last time, where I broke down the trade that I took and kind of my FTMO dashboard breakdown of phase 1. So today I'll be breaking down this Euro USD trade and my FTMO dashboard of phase 2. So let's just hop straight into this trade. So yeah, this trade was a bit different than usual. Usually I'll wait for the Asia sweep, but that was not the case in this video, in this trade. So let's just see how I took this trade. So firstly, we've traded from this hourly fair value gap here. So from this hourly fair value gap, we've swept that high that was made inside of it, and then we went straight down. So this is where I took a swing trade on another account, because I was expecting price to trade down into this daily fair value gap, right? So let me just mark it up with a line, as that was our target. And now here clearly, before this trade, we can clearly see that the daily candle first went up, and since I'm expecting a daily bearish candle, we expect it to trade down lower here and then close somewhere right here. So yeah, let's just hop straight into the trade itself. So as you can see here, we've reacted off of the hourly fair value gap, and then we've made another one right here. So as you can see, during Asia, maybe I need to, okay, yeah, that's fine. So we can see that during Asia, we've traded into that hourly fair value gap, and we've swept all of this buy side. So at this point, I was not expecting price. Let me just play until London open to make it a bit more clear. Right here. So yeah, this is London open at 8 AM European time. So at this point, I did not expect price to come up there anymore, since we've swept the key level, we've swept all of this buy side, and we've traded into that hourly fair value gap. So at this point, these highs should not be broken anymore, because I'm expecting all of this liquidity right here to be taken and then trade into that daily fair value gap. So I waited for, I didn't just enter straight away at London open. I just wanted to see how price would react during London open, and then get in once I see that price is showing me confirmation that it wants to go down, right? So for this trade, my target was this low here at previous day low, and then this daily fair value gap as well. So, and we can see here a market maker model as well. So pretty much everything was lining up. And now let's just see where I entered. So right here we can see that as soon as London opened, it started displacing lower, right? So this indicated to me that price was ready to move off here, and it shouldn't go for that high anymore. So before entering, let me just play a couple candles further, right there. So before just entering, I saw this 15-minute fair value gap, and I just wanted to see price retrace into it and then see how it would react. So if we would just go up from here, then I would just continue to wait until it shows me something clear to enter off. Or maybe if it just reacts straight away from here, kind of get an entry and then target all of those lows. So let's see what happens. Boom, we trade inside of it, and at this point we can see that there's no confirmation yet. Price is just going aggressively towards it. So at this point I was just watching price, and then boom, as soon as I saw this candle close here and kind of make this order block right here, I was confident that price shouldn't break this high anymore. Because if we go on a 15-minute, we can see that it clearly wicked into that fair value gap, mitigated this order block as well. So there was no point of breaking this high anymore. So this is where I just market entered. I believe it was somewhere right here, and I went my stop right above this high. It was just like 4.7 pip stop loss, I think, something like this. Let me just put it a bit higher, and then put my stop here. Yeah, so something like that. And then my TP was right at about 3.5 R, so something like this. So yeah, my TP was at 3.5 R, as that was all I needed to pass that phase 2. And then we had this daily fair value gap below there. So let's just place this order. Okay. Oh, that's not right. Oh yeah, it's because price is above. Yeah. Alright, so this is where my entry was at, and now let's see how price plays out. Boom. It just so right here it just front ran my TP, but it was just below that 3.5 R target, but I was still confident in this trade as the daily fair value gap was still not hit, and at this point I just had my stop loss right at about break even, so there was nothing for me to be worried about. And now let's see how it plays out. Boom, came a little bit higher. I believe it was, yeah, right into that 15-minute fair value gap there. Then it continued to sell off, hitting TP and passing my 50K FTMO count. So let's just hop straight into the FTMO dashboard and kind of see what my stats were. So as you can see here, I started this phase 2 on July 15th and I finished it at July 23rd. So it just took me like 8 days to pass, with just 4 trading days, as you can see here. So yeah, we can see here pretty clean equity curve, just went like 1% in drawdown and then went all the way up to the profit target. So yeah, as you can see here, average profit 750. I believe that's just because of some partials, but yeah, like as you can see here in the daily summary, it was a bit higher. So yeah, first day that I took, which was that 1% loss there, and we had a 2% win, 0.5%, and then the last day coming in with 3.5%. So here are all the trades. I would say like my average holding time was like around 2 hours, which is my usual time in position. And then a couple of stats here. I basically only traded Euro USD, and yeah, that was pretty much it. And I managed to secure a payout on the live account as well, as you can see right here, which was on Monday this week. So it was around, I believe it was the 5th of August, I think. Let me check. Yeah, 5th of August, I secured that $300 payout. And I'm still waiting on this payout, so I'll keep you guys updated on how that goes. And the reason why I didn't go for any big payout here is because I'm just waiting to secure the refund, and then I'll just go for a bit bigger payouts. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I passed my 50K challenge, and I hope this video is helpful and kind of shows some more transparency on like how it actually is trading and not just the big RRs and the big win rates. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you guys thought about this video and if you want to see more of these. And then I'll see you guys on the next video. And by the way, this video was made with FX Replay. If you would like to subscribe to FX Replay, I got a link with a discount below in the description. And if you would like to use FTMO as well, which is one of the most reliable firms in the industry, I would definitely check that out, and I got a link for that in my description as well. And I'll see you guys on the next one.